hello everyone! So happy to be here. Today is the final day. So happy. We are going to have our weekend. Actually, I am experiencing or attending or passing or living. Sometimes it's very weird and very wretched. I still can use the English vocabularies very well, and sometimes I even don't know which words is rather preferable for some certain situation and some certain mood. And when I want to use higher or just a little bit difficult word of vocabulary, I am very lucky because I'm a freshman. So every word I used always be forgiven. People can understand how scarce and how really so the circumstance I live in, and I'm not a foreigner, and I don't have foreign parents, foreign siblings, foreign classmates, foreign teachers, foreign colleagues, foreign friends, foreign everything. So to me, to use the word frequently and to test the meaning in it, when every time I want to show or express something from my mind and call it or try to just exert all the words I have just learned, maybe I can just escape out the racket that is in the scope, and I can just to find out another new renewal meaning in it, but that is all very difficult to me. So every try is just an opportunity that I can just learn and to remember, to strengthen my memorizations when I use these words. So that is absolutely fantastic. So every time I cherish every moment I can use English. So that is a good timing for me, and every day I stand by, prepare for all the things that I'm going to encounter when the day comes. I have to go abroad and touch and connect with the foreigners. So that is absolutely so nervous to me. So sometimes I'm just a guest. Why I can? So that is definitely I have been humble and modest, shy and embarrassed, always happening. So maybe that is a fortune. Everyone has his or her fortune. This is mine. So I will not regret, and I will not feel pity. I still decided to go abroad. And this week, I just, because some people wonder, or children wonder, I just speak out. My final dream is to die and be buried in a tomb nearby the university or the Massachusetts Institute Technology. That is my final dream. Every time, so I don't know if it is suitable, appropriate. When children wondering, I will always tell my story to him or her. You can see Crystal just the one person alone. Every day, every single day, I am living in my real life. I work, I study, I do all the things I like. I never waste time and money from myself. And every state, I tried out, all under cautious prudence. So when you look at me, when you see me, you have to imagine what you have to prepare for yourself. Stop to be wondering. To calm down and think prudently and expand out your ability and your preparation, so you can just choose 1 to 10 plans you want to do in your whole life. Just the one thing, you have to plan all the things under very perfect cautions. That is very important because you have to challenge the difficulties from your daily life, from your real life, from your everywhere that you will experience. So that is very important. When I tell I will die in United States and I will choose a town nearby the Harvard University or nearby the Massachusetts Institute Technology, I have made my mind and choose the decision. I want to complete all the plans in my life because I'm alone. I don't have family members. Finally, I'm just a single person. In the end of my life, I can pass away in the town of nearby the Harvard University and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. That is my honor. I'm so proud of this. That is the holy gospel. I can be blessed by the 2 very important institutions in the United States. You know, to me, the meaning to me, that is over everything. In my whole life, I can be the scientist finally, and I sleep in, I died in, I passed away in, near the very important institution. I tell myself, I have done all the things, and finally, I lie down in a very peaceful place. I can comfort my mind. I can console my heart, and everything will be so calming. That is the perfect thing. So every time when I tell this, I just hope children can just be serious to your life. This is my life, and what is yours? Honey, what is yours? Yours. Can you imagine it? Okay, today we are going to do some question, so that is very important. I am very happy with this, and let's do something meaningful today, okay? So, solve the question. We still have the 2 questions left. Okay. See the question say. Here are 2 questions. The first one. Quadratic function y equal 2x squared plus 6x plus 8. The minimum is -4. The question gives you the equation and give you the minimum. But in the equation here is a. So you have to solve what is the real number a's value. And then the second question, the quadratic function y is equal to 3x squared plus ax plus b. So the condition gives you when x is equal to, here is the minimum 7, once you solve the value of a and b. So this is very simple and very easy to do this. So first question, we have to make the equation become square. Do the completing square method. So y is equal to x squared plus cx plus a. That will become 2 leave out. X plus 3 of 2 square and plus a. In the same time, coincidence, we have the minus 9 of 2. Okay, so finally we can get a minus 9 of 2 is equal -4. Because here is say that minimum is -4. So therefore a is equal -4 plus 9 of 2 equal 1 of 2. So this is a. And the second question, the same, completing the square method. So y is equal 3x squared plus ax plus b will equal 3x squared. X plus a here must be 6, half square. So plus b and minus a squared 12. So we can see this. Here will be a minimum when when x is 2, here is minimum 7. So because when x equal 2, here is a minimum equals 7. Therefore, negative a of 6 is equal to, and b minus a squared 12. Minus a squared 12 is equal 7. Therefore, a is equal 1 of 2. A is equal negative 12 and B is equal 19. Okay, it is very simple. Just remember, when it is just referred to the minimum and the maximum, you have to make the function become the chart's function. That is has the square bracket. Because has the square bracket, we just can know when the x equal what. Then we get minimum or maximum. That is why. If you don't make the function into the square, you cannot get out. You cannot obtain the minimum and the maximum. And you don't know the x. When the minimum and the maximum, the x is what. So that is very important. Okay, the final question. So the question gives you some condition. You have to seek for, you have to sort out what the quadratic function is. So first, so the chart is passing through the 4 and the negative 3. And they give you when x is equal 3, here is a maximum negative 1. This is very simple. We just know the square function, the x equal 3 has a maximum. So the open mouth is toward down. It's toward down. So x minus 3. But it is negative, then has the maximum, so will minus 1. So that is very simple. Okay, so first we say the function is equal y equal ax minus 3 squared and minus 1. A is smaller than 0. The A is smaller than 0. This is very important. We have maximum. Okay, because the chart is passing through 4, -3. Therefore, -3 is equal A minus 1. Then A is equal -2. Therefore, the function is equal y equal -2 x minus 3 squared and minus 1. Then we tidy it up. It becomes y is equal -2x squared plus 12x minus 19. Okay, so the first we have to just say because it's here. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so here is the minimum, -a, and the symmetrical axis is x equal 4. So, and the x-axis, here is the intercept distance, that is 6. Want to find out the chart, the function is. So, we say the y is equal k, so x minus 4, because here is referred. Okay, so we just say y is equal k, multiply the bracket x minus 4 squared and minus 8, and the k is bigger than 0 because therefore we have minimum. So by the condition, the k x minus 4 squared minus 8 equals 0. Here is a root is 6. Therefore, k 6 minus 4 squared minus 8 will equal 0. Then k is equal to. Therefore, Therefore, y is equal to x minus 4 squared minus a. Then we tidy that. Y is equal to x squared minus 16x plus 24. So you have to see this. The first thing we said because the symmetrical axis is x equal 4. So we set x minus 4, and the intercept distance is 6. And here is the minimum is negative a. So we just know this. Become this. And here become this. Here is the root c, because the x-axis 6y. Okay, so we analyze all the situation in the questions so we can get this. Okay, so after my explanation, so because he has a minimum, because the symmetrical axis, because the open mouth is toward up, and the symmetrical axis is x equal 4. So here is a minimum. That is negative a. So we just say the function is just y equal k bracket x plus x minus 4, because the same symmetrical axis x equal 4. So and the minus a, because the minimum is negative a. And we know the x-axis here is the intercept distance is 6. So that is the 6 and y. So we know here is the root is 6. So we bring it into the function. So the k is 2. So therefore bring the k is 2 into the function. Tidy it up. The answer is out. Okay, that is today's video. Thank you for your watching. Hope you can have a wonderful weekend. So this week we're still very happy with you all, and I hope you can have a very wonderful time with me. Next week we still continue the quadratic function. Okay, we still continues. Here will be another scope, so that will be harder a little bit. I hope you can just excited with it. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.